Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage vibe cottage home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage vibe cottage home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that combines the cozy charm of cottage living with the timeless beauty of vintage and antique-inspired beaches. It creates a home that feels connected over time, comfortable, and full of personal stories, rather than perfectly matched furniture. A vintage vibe cottage home should feel cozy and welcoming, romantic and nostalgic, relaxed rather than formal, connected to nature and full of memories and personality. Interior designers often describe cottage style as a blend of comfort, warmth, history, and charm where every piece seems to tell a story. Easy ways to achieve the look. Use soft, neutral wall colors. Add vintage or chipped furniture. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Display old books and collectibles. Layer quilts, crochet shawls, and cushions. Use warm lamps and candlelight instead of harsh lighting. Mix old and new pieces rather than matching everything perfectly. Think of a vintage vibe cottage as a charming countryside retreat filled with floral fabrics, ordered oud, treasured heirlooms, and cozy corners where you can enjoy a cup of tea and a good book. The soul behind the style at its heart. This aesthetic is about solo living and storytelling, unlike modern decor that focuses on perfection. Vintage cottage spaces feel collected over time, not bought all at once. Imperfect but meaningful, soft, quiet, and emotionally comforting. It is like walking into a home where everything has a past, even if it is newly made to look old. Layering, the secret technique. Vintage cottage decor is all about layering, not minimalism. How layering works: textiles use lace plus cotton plus linen and crochet. For furniture, use wood plus painted finishes and a touch of metal. For decor, use books, flowers, ceramics, and framed art. The goal is a space that feels gently full, never empty or overly styled. Signature corners of the home. First, living room. Use floral or slip-covered sofas. Use wooden coffee tables with their own finish. Stacked of books and candles. Use soft lamps instead of bright lights. The space should feel like a place for solo conversation and tea. Next, kitchen. Use open shelves with plates and jars. Use vintage teacups and enamelware. Use glass jars with greens or spices. Fresh herbs or flowers by the window. A cottage kitchen feels lived in and loved, not showroom perfect. Next, bedroom. Use white or pastel bedding, floral quilts and soft pillows. Also use lace curtains flowing with natural light. Use antique mirrors or frames. The mood is calm, dreamy, and slightly romantic. Lighting, the mood maker. Lighting defines the entire vibe. Use warm yellow bulbs, never harsh white. Use table lamps with fabric shades. Use candles or fairy lights. Soft lighting creates that golden, nostalgic glow. Nature connection. Nature is always present but gently. Use fresh flowers in simple vases, red lavender, wheat, or pampas grass. Use wooden textures and natural fabrics. This keeps the home feeling grounded and peaceful. Imperfection is the beauty. Here is thought many people get wrong, trying to make everything match, buying only new vintage items, over decorating without meaning. Instead, mix old and new. Keep a slightly old look. Let spaces breathe. Use a cheap teacup faded fabric, or a scratched table. These are not flaws, they are character. Emotional atmosphere. A true vintage cottage homes feel like a quiet rainy afternoon, a handwritten letter, a cup of tea near a window, a place where time slows down. The design philosophy. Vintage Cottage Decor follows the quiet rule: nothing should look new and nothing should look forced. That means even new items should feel aged or soft. Every object should look like it belongs there naturally. This creates the home that feels effortless even though it is thoughtfully arranged. Textures, the real magic layer. Vintage cottage style is less about color and more about touch and texture. Key textures to mix: lace, for delicate and romantic; linen, soft, breathable, and slightly wrinkled; cotton, simple and cozy; crochet knit, for handmade warmth; oud edged, grounding and natural. When combined, this creates a space that feels soft, breathable, and lived in. Color physiology. How it feels so calm. Instead of bold colors, this style uses faded tones, like colors that have gently aged over time. Use dusty pink for comfort and nostalgia, shade green for calm and nature, cream or ivory for warmth and softness, washed blue for quiet and airy. These colors don't demand attention, they show your mind. Furniture storytelling. In a true vintage cottage home, furniture is mixed, not massed. Pieces may look slightly worn or repainted. Sizes and shapes vary naturally. The deeper idea: each piece should feel like it came from a different time or place. That is how it gives the home its layered, story-rich feeling. Styling like a story, not a display. Most people decorate like this: place items evenly and symmetrically. But vintage cottage styling is slightly uneven, softly arranged, and naturally grouped. Example: instead of placing three items in a straight line, stack books, add a small flower vase, lean up framed behind. It should look like here, just place things down naturally. Time and memory aesthetic. This style often includes objects that represent time passing, like old books, vintage clocks, framed photos, and handwritten notes. These elements make the home feel emotionally rich, like it holds memories. Seasonal feel, subtle changes. Vintage cottage homes often shift gently with seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and lighter fabrics. For summer, use airy curtains and soft colors. For autumn, use warmer tones and more layers. For winter, use thicker blankets and candlelight. But the base style stays consistent, only small details change. Balance, cozy vase clutter. Here is an important truth: this style is very easy to overdo. To keep it beautiful, leave small empty spaces. Limit too many tiny items in one spot. Focus on meaningful decor, not quantity. Cozy equal layered plus breathable. Cluttered equal crowded plus overwhelming. The final feeling: a well-done vintage vibe cottage home feels like a quiet morning with sunlight on lace curtains, a soft breeze through an open window, a cup of tea beside an old book, a place where life feels slower and gentler. Here are practical next level tips you can actually apply to make your vintage vibe cottage home decor feel authentic, cozy, and beautifully lived in. Follow the 3-item styling rule. When decorating any surface, like table, shelf, and counter, group item in threes: on tall, lamp or vase; on medium, frame or chair; and on small, candle or book. This creates natural balance without looking too perfect. Soften hard furniture. Wooden furniture can feel heavy if left alone. Add softness. Tap a lace or crochet cloth on tables. Add cushions to wooden chair. Use fabric runners on surfaces. This instantly gives a gentle cottage feel. Always add something alive. Every room needs a touch of life. Use fresh flowers, even a small bounce. Plant flowers in a jar, small indoor plants. It connects your space to nature. Very important in cottage style. Use warm lighting only. Lighting can make or break the vibe. Choose warm yellow bulbs, fabric lampshades, candles in the evening. Avoid bright white LED lights. They feel too modern and harsh. Hide storage beautifully. Instead of plastic or modern storage, use wicker baskets, wooden boxes, and window things. Your storage becomes part of the decor. Then, don't always hang. Instead of hanging everything, try leaning frames against walls, placing mirrors on dressers, stocking out casually. This creates a relaxed, effortless look. Create a tea moment corner. A signature cottage detail setup. A small tree, either teacups or mugs, a book or flowers. It feels warm, inviting, and very aesthetic. Mix pattern gently. Windows cottage loves patterns, but softly. Combine floral plus stripes, checks plus plain fabrics. Keep colors similar so it doesn't feel messy. Use curtains the right way. Choose light, flowy fabrics. Use cotton or lace. Let them be slightly longer than the window. Allow natural light to pass through. This creates that dreamy cottage glow. Don't fill every space. This is a common mistake. Leave empty corners, breathing space on shelves. Some plain walls. It keeps your home calm, not cluttered. Add on old looking hero pieces. Every room should have on standout items like a vintage mirror, an old style cabinet, or a rustic wooden table. This anchors the whole aesthetic. Rotate decor seasonally. Keep your space fresh without changing everything. Swap flowers, change cushion covers, add or remove layers. Small changes make a big difference. Don't try to make it perfect. Winter's cottage decor is about comfort over perfection, feeling over appearance, story over trend. Use the unforgotten corner trick. Every room should have a slightly quiet, untouched feeling corner. Add a small chair, a folded blanket, a book, or basket. It creates a poetic, lived-in atmosphere, like a space waiting for someone. Mix time periods. Don't stay in one era. Many people make everything look from on time period. Instead, makes a rustic wooden table for older feel, a slightly modern lamp for simple design, and a vintage style fabrics. This makes your home feel collected over time, not staged. Create height variation everywhere. Flat surfaces look boring, always very height. Stack books, use tall vases, add small objects beside them. Your decor becomes visually rich and dynamic. Let some items look used. Brand new items can break the illusion. Make things feel used, slightly wrinkled fabrics. Keep a book open. Use trays with everyday items. This adds authenticity instantly. Build a soft reflection effect. Mirrors are powerful in cottage decor. Use them to reflect light from windows, brighten darker corners, add depth to small rooms. Choose slightly antique or distressed frames. Add subtle rustic elements, even in soft winter spaces. A touch of rustic keeps it grounded. Add oven baskets, wooden trays, jute or natural fiber rugs. This balances softness with earthiness. Layered lighting. Don't rely on a single light. Combine a table lamp, a wall light or fairy lights, candles. This creates depth and a warm evening glow. Create an imperfect gallery wall. Forget perfect alignment. Do this, mix frame size and colors. Place them slightly uneven. Combine photos, art, and quotes. It feels natural and artistic. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.